Hi, today I'm with me Cat S75 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should open the Gmail application and tap on the right upper corner to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app. We should first log out from Google accounts on our device. So tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account, and here you'll see remove account button. So just tap on it and confirm your action. If you use some protect methods on your device like the pattern, pin code or passcode, you should enter or drop the pattern. Now in Google account settings, we could see that we successfully logged out from Google account. So let's go back to the Gmail application, and we could see that in app we also successfully logged out from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.